In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into ActiveCampaign from a .csv file. This process is essential for anyone looking to manage contacts efficiently within ActiveCampaign. Whether you're moving over from another platform or starting fresh, importing contacts can be a breeze with just a few simple steps. We'll start by heading over to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to look for the main menu where you will find the option called Contacts. Clicking here allows you to access your full list of contacts and get things moving with your import. Now, in the Contacts section, locate and click on Lists. This is where you organize your contacts into different categories or groups, which can be particularly handy for targeted email campaigns or simply to keep things orderly. Here, if you need to create a new list for your contacts, you can click on Add a List. However, in this video, we'll assume you want to use an existing list, so we'll skip this part for now. With your list selected, it's time to move on to the import itself. Look for the option that says Import Contacts and give it a click. This will take you to a new page where the real work happens. Here you'll see a button that says Import from File. Click this to begin uploading your .csv file. Before selecting your file, make sure it's formatted correctly with all the necessary columns such as email address, first name, last name, and any other information you want to include. A well-prepared .csv file will ensure that your contacts import smoothly and without errors. Next, after you've uploaded your file, you'll need to choose which lists those contacts should be imported into. Click on Select Lists to assign your contacts to the appropriate list or lists within ActiveCampaign. It's crucial to assign them correctly to ensure your contacts are organized just the way you want them. Once you've selected your lists, move forward by clicking on the Import button. This finalizes your choices and starts the process of moving your contacts into ActiveCampaign. Depending on the size of your file, this step might take a little while, so be patient. You can sit back and relax while the system does the heavy lifting. Finally, you simply need to wait for the import to be completed. ActiveCampaign will process your file, and once finished, all your contacts will appear under the lists you've selected. You'll receive confirmation once it's done, and your contacts will be ready for any campaigns or communications you have planned. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully imported contacts into ActiveCampaign from a .csv file.